Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany speaking, and I'm coming to you from this little tiny home. In the last video, I took a cross-country trip with my dad to clean out my shared storage unit with my ex-husband, and Tamara was dropped off for some warranty repairs. When I returned, Tamara wasn't completed, so me and Jada rented this little tiny home in the meantime. It came complete with an outdoor shower and a really nice, well-maintained outhouse with a foot pump sink and a composting toilet. My time at this tiny home was spent Googling and checking Facebook Marketplace for a reasonably priced campsite with full hookup. It was a struggle, especially with all of the snowbirds coming to Florida, but I found a spot that was 3 acres on private land that I will only share with one other person, coming in at about $600 a month. Hey, welcome to my channel. Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany, and I travel full-time on the road with my fur baby Jada in this RPod 153. We initially started our travels in my self-converted schoolie named Domino, but with mechanical issue after mechanical issue, it was time to put her in storage and purchase something more reliable. And now I have Tia and Tamara, aka Sister. Join me as I save up to purchase my dream land and navigate life as a solo female traveler. Today is pickup day, so I decided to stop over at Planet Fitness to take an extended shower before making my way to General RV. Well, friends, today is pickup day. There's the home. Alright, y'all, we got the home. Well, I'm about to hitch up, and then I have like under a 2-hour drive to the campground. We have a lot to discuss, so yeah. At pickup, they noted my something rod was overdue for a changing, so I asked if they could show me where it was located, how to change it, and then how to reset my hot water heater. Unfortunately, a few things warranty related still weren't completed due to lack of parts on hand, but we'll save that story for another time. So for this winter, my intent is to slow down. I've been on the road since 2019 and I'm exhausted. I've been in a constant state of go, 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 and it's starting to take a toll on me. Also, as a 100% disabled veteran, I'm able to receive all of my health care through the VA, and it was time for me to get some updated labs and also do a lot of preventative care. So that's what my winter plans are, to rest. Oh, friends, this new chapter is not going as planned, unfortunately. So this is the site that I've been so excited about. I was basically supposed to be posted up here for a few months, actually. I wanted to be able to, I'm pretty sure I've said it, but I wanted to be able to like recharge, recenter, and really just kind of like start some brand new habits and things. And when I pulled up, y'all, the Florida State Health Department was at the gate, and I had the owner on the phone, and basically the septic system isn't up to code here, so somebody called and snitched. So the Florida Department of Health came and they did a quick inspection, and basically their septic system isn't up to par, and this is supposed to be a full hookup campsite, so I'm supposed to have water, electricity, and being able to dump my black and gray water tank, so I'll be able to take my showers and do all that stuff. Well, yeah, I can't be here. So I'm gonna stay here one night, and I'm so behind on things that I needed to do, but that's life. So yeah, me and Jada were just gonna stay here the night, and I'm gonna hook up my Starlink and try and find another place to live. It is very unfortunate. Today is Thursday, y'all, and the weekend is coming up. So I don't know if I'll be able to find an inexpensive site, but we shall see. But I'm gonna look for something for like a week that'll just give me a chance to woo-saw and then do some more researching so I can find a designated spot so I can chill out for a few months. So it's always something, y'all. but it just wasn't meant to be here, so okay. So I went to the grocery store, bought all these groceries because I just knew I was going to be posted up here. I bought stuff to like juice and everything, but I saw this really nice sushi little platter, and I got me a nice kombucha, and I just wanted a nice chill meal for my first meal at my new spot. So I reached out to my mama because y'all, it's the weekend and everything is like booked. So I'll probably be going to my mother's until I find me a new site. So I'm about to research, get online, and back to the drawing board. This was such a decent price too. The next day, I woke up to good news. I was informed that we would be able to stay, but I wouldn't be able to use the sewer hookups until they completed a full inspection on the property. So during this time, Jada Baby and I just started to get settled. I started juicing and actually enjoying the property. I wasn't filming for YouTube because I figured I would have over 3 months to fill you guys in on everything, but that was not the case at all. So here's a few clips from my Instagram page from our time at the property. Crock pot cooking, y'all, because it's about to get cold. So this is like that Cajun bean soup. I don't know, it has like 20 something different beans in it. And then I got some turkey necks in there. I had them soaking overnight last night, the beans, and then I started cooking them, I don't know, I think like 8 o'clock this morning. And it's done now. It smells so good in here. And we just gonna keep warm. So my sister bought this for Jada Baby, I don't know, for Christmas last year. And this is my first time using my plug outdoors. This is my first time using this outdoors. So she's kind of flipping out right now. And she needs to find a ball. So BRB. So in theory, she's supposed to be able to put the ball in there and then technically like play fetch with herself. But she hasn't figured that part out yet. She kind of wants to put the ball in the front part. So I just have her bring me the ball. And then I put it in. And it shoots out. So it can be 10 feet, 20 feet, and 30 feet. I have it set on 30 feet. So let's go. Good girl. Put it in there. Put it in there, Jada Baby. Oh, almost. Well, friends, I've been at this spot now for like 2 weeks. And today I'm making my way into Jacksonville because this weekend I'm helping my mom. She does catering. So I'm helping her by taking pictures and videos and stuff like that for the event. But I just received the phone call from the owners of the property, and the health department was like notified, and basically only one RV is allowed on the property. So today is Friday, and I have until next Friday to find another spot to camp at, which is really unfortunate because I like really like this spot. I love the location, how chill it was, how I still felt like I was like out in nature and stuff, and Jada was able to like roam freely. So I don't know what God's plan is, y'all. I mean, I have been searching for land and looking at different options as far as like doing raw land and land that already has utilities on it, maybe getting a modular home built on land so I'll be able to tap into like my VA home loan. So it's a lot, but you know, things happen and I just have to adjust. So I have like an hour and a half drive to get into Jacksonville. Jada also has a appointment just to get, you know, her shots and stuff like that. So yeah, but I'm just giving y'all an update. My feelings hurt, y'all, but that's life.